Are you looking for the top 5 best Realme Phone 2022? In this video, we will look at some of the best Realme phone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Realme GT2 Pro Best Flagship. The GT2 Pro is Realme's first true flagship, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip inside. The WQHD+ LTPO-AMOLED display is Realme's best yet, as is the 50 megapixels triple rear camera system, and you can pair the phone with plenty of RAM and storage. The only real concessions here are that there's no waterproofing or wireless charging, but otherwise this is a flagship to compete with the industry's best. Realme's GT2 Pro boasts an aggressive price-performance proposition, an environmentally conscious design, and better software support than ever. While the GT2 Pro doesn't break the mold to quite the degree as Realme's marketing would have you believe, it's still a very well-rounded flagship at a competitively low price. At number 2. Realme GT2 Flagship for less. The Realme GT2 is a slightly odd phone, in that outside of the design it actually has more in common with last year's Realme GT, which you'll also find on this list, than it does with the GT2 Pro. Yes, it looks like its Pro sibling, but with a Snapdragon 888, 120Hz AMOLED display, and 65 watts charging, the insides look a lot like the older phone. There are upgrades though, with a bigger 6.62 inches screen, larger battery, and a retuned camera. The 50 megapixels main sensor here impresses, though the ultra-wide and macro alongside are less exciting. With many of the same specs as last year and a new Pro model, the Realme GT2 has a much harder time standing out but remains solid in many ways. At number 3. Realme 9 Pro Plus Best Mid-Ranger. The Realme 9 Pro Plus is the top model in the company's budget 9 series, but that means it's really a mid-range option. The 90Hz AMOLED display is impressive, as is the 50 megapixels main camera, though the other lenses aren't much to write home about. You may also enjoy the phone's unique UV reactive color changing design, though note that it isn't available on every finish. Pros: color changing design, 2-day battery, strong main camera. The Realme 9 Pro Plus boasts a 90Hz display, a 50 megapixels triple camera array, and a decent battery life, but it's far from flawless. At number 4. Realme 9 Best 4GB Phone. The Realme 9 sits at the heart of the company's 2022 lineup, and this budget offering is still something of a crowd pleaser. By sticking with 4GB, Realme was able to spare more budget for the display, battery, and cameras, all of which are excellent for the price. Of course, some will miss 5GB, and we'd love to see a slightly faster chipset, not to mention an upgrade to the frankly unreliable under-display fingerprint sensor. Overall though, this is a well-balanced option, and a reminder that 4GW phones aren't gone yet. Pros: 90Hz OLED display, excellent battery life, solid cameras. Sticking at 4GW means the Realme 9 is a better all-rounder than its 5GW counterpart, but it'll need to do more to knock Genie off its budget phone perch. At number 5. Realme C35 Best Budget. The C35 is arguably Realme doing what it does best, delivering more than you'd expect for less than you'd expect. This is one of the company's absolute cheapest phones, but despite that it still offers a full HD display, 50 megapixels main camera, and an attractive, distinctive design. There are limitations, of course. Performance is basic, with a bit of stuttering as you use the phone, and there's no 5GW either. The display is held to 60Hz refresh rate, and while battery life is good, some other budget models do better. Still, few phones this cheap offer as much. Pros: crisp display, bold design, decent camera. Realme has made some thoughtful, meaningful decisions with its latest budget phone, most notably design and an LCD display that lacks in refresh rate but punches well above its weight in picture quality. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.